Today, I'd like to introduce you to how the European Union monitors public opinion across its member states. We'll focus on Eurobarometer, which is considered the most comprehensive and long-standing public opinion survey tool the EU uses to listen to its citizens. Launched in 1974, Eurobarometer has been an essential instrument for the European Commission, the European Parliament, and other EU institutions. It helps them track what people think, feel, and expect regarding EU policies and initiatives. Thanks to Eurobarometer surveys, we can measure trust in EU institutions, how satisfied people are with their lives, what they see as the most important issues, and how optimistic they are about the EU's future. It gives us a clear picture of the public mindset. There are four main types of Eurobarometer surveys: standard, special, flash, and qualitative. Each serves a unique purpose and captures different layers of public opinion across the EU's diverse population. The standard Eurobarometer is the most well-known version. It is conducted twice a year and covers all EU member states, measuring trends in areas like trust in the EU, economic confidence, environmental concern, and views on migration. Special Eurobarometer surveys go deeper into selected topics. These include education, climate change, gender equality, and digital transformation. They provide detailed insights that regular surveys can't fully capture. Flash Eurobarometer surveys are rapid response tools designed for urgent topics. They're conducted online or by phone and are used to measure how people react to sudden events like political crises or health emergencies. Qualitative Eurobarometer doesn't focus on numbers but on the reasons behind public views. Through focus groups and interviews, it explores people's thoughts and feelings in more depth, offering valuable context. The most recent survey, Eurobarometer 98, was published in the winter of 2022 to 2023. It took place roughly 1 year after Russia's invasion of Ukraine and highlighted the EU public's continued solidarity with the Ukrainian people. It also showed strong support for the energy transition. Citizens backed investment in renewable energy and reducing Europe's dependence on Russian energy supplies, reflecting new public priorities shaped by global events. Inflation, however, remains one of the most pressing concerns for many Europeans. Despite this, the euro currency continues to enjoy strong public support, showing trust in the EU's economic stability. In addition, the survey revealed that Europeans remain optimistic about the future of the European Union. 62% of respondents said they feel hopeful, even in the face of ongoing global uncertainty. Trust in EU institutions stood at 47%, according to the survey. This figure suggests that nearly half of the population has confidence in the way the Union is functioning and making decisions. In contrast, only 32% of respondents said they tend to trust their national governments. This difference reveals how the EU is perceived in comparison to domestic institutions by its citizens. When asked about the EU's image, 45% of people said they viewed the EU positively. Meanwhile, 36% had a neutral impression and 18% viewed it in a negative light. The top three problems identified by the public were rising prices, inflation, and the overall cost of living. These challenges affect nearly everyone and are felt across all EU member states. Other issues mentioned include the internal situation of member countries, energy supply concerns, and the impacts of environmental and climate change. These are seen as closely connected to everyday life. The economy, of course, is at the center of many of these worries. It is tightly linked not just to living costs, but also to climate policies and energy security, making it a cross-cutting concern. Migration continues to be a major topic on the public agenda. It is often linked to debates about security, social services, and national identity, which makes it especially sensitive and politically relevant. Eurobarometer remains a key instrument for understanding what European citizens think. The data helps EU institutions align their policies with public needs and better respond to societal challenges.